Welcome to Infinite English, short story series. History of New York City food, from hot dogs to Michelin stars. New York City is one of the most exciting places in the world to eat. The city's food story began many years ago with simple street foods like hot dogs and pretzels sold by vendors on busy corners. These foods were cheap, fast, and tasty, perfect for the workers and immigrants who were building the city. Over time, people from all over the world moved to New York, bringing their own recipes and cooking styles. That is why today, you can find delicious food from almost every country, like Chinese dumplings, Indian curry, Italian pizza, and Dominican empanadas, all on the same block. In the last few decades, New York City has also become famous for fine dining. More and more restaurants have earned Michelin stars, a special award given to the best food in the world. These restaurants serve fancy dishes made by top chefs who mix tradition with creativity. But you don't have to spend a lot of money to enjoy great food in New York. The city is also known for its amazing food trucks and pop-up restaurants. These small, often mobile kitchens serve everything from gourmet tacos to Korean barbecue on the go. They bring new flavors to the streets and let young chefs share their ideas with hungry New Yorkers. From the classic hot dog stands in Central Park to the elegant Michelin-starred restaurants in Manhattan, New York City's food scene is full of history, flavor, and fun. It shows how the city has grown and changed, with food always bringing people together. Whether you are eating a slice of pizza or trying a fancy-tasting menu, New York City always has something delicious waiting for you. Please subscribe for more to enhance your English.